take a peek. Yeah, that's good.
So liberating.
Oh, alright. Look at that. So 2006 C6 Z06 Blue has cam, headers, and an A&A blower. Mic wasn't on, but I guessed 760 because I know what ours should make. Heads, cam, A&A kit. Close to that 800 mark. Eric guessed 740 and Jerry guessed 682 or 684 or something like that.
I was thinking, possibility it's not turned up.
Wow.
Jerry.
It was around like 11.
Yeah. There you have it, 693, 634, 695, 635, 5.6, and then 6 pounds of boost. Was very rich at first, and then it got a little bit better.
Let's see what the dyno sheet says.
Dyno sheet's in the car. We're going to see what it actually supposedly made before. It is here for clutch and meth. It's a nice car though.
684.
Is that what it's at me?
Yeah.
I didn't look.
Neither did I.
674, 684.
Okay.
Damn it! I wish I would have fucking saw this before we made the poll.
I know, same.
I would have been cheating though, Steve, and I'm not a cheater.
Neither am I.
I might have cheated.
Matt was just about to rip some singing and then saw me filming and decided not to. Damn. Let's do a quick little update here. Eric's got this thing down to the bare block. That was pretty quick. Cam out. I think he's going to get the cam. While he does that, let's check on Matt. Matt also has engine out. Look at that. Now you're just chucking them down.
Yeah, I mean nobody ever wants them, so I'm sick of holding on to them. I literally threw away 8 sets yesterday, I think. And look, there's 2 more in the third.
I know. Anybody wants stock piston and a rod from a freaking LT?
Yeah, I mean,
if you're gonna be in there, you might as well. They're literally paperweights. Now you get to throw that trash can out because.
Yeah, I'm gonna take down as soon as I'm done this.
It's gonna weigh 300 pounds. How's this thing looking so far?
Good.
Bearings and everything. All the wear look good.
Look brand new.
Good sign. Let's take a peek. Ooh. Yeah, that's good.
So liberating.
Oh, alright. Yes, as always, we will be replacing all with new. Even though they're good, we're here. Extra insurance.
Oh, sounds like you got a phone call.
I do. Matt's doing a little unboxing here with his nice new shiny pistons and rods.
I thought you were about to say this nice new
No, I was not. I mean, it is new but it's going for a little bit cleaner than that.
Got my toolbox cleaned off. I think I'm gonna
Do everything there.
do everything here.
Okay.
Keep everything close. Cut cut down my walking.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, you want to avoid doing too many steps in a day.
Shiny, shiny.
Shakaka.
Shakaka. Ace Ventura.
Ever heard of it? Yeah, look at you.
Crepuscular Chirapera. Yes, but to the natives, Shikaka. Shakaka.
Shakaka.
Come on, man.
You can't stump me, Matthew. So yes, these are the same weight. I've gone over this before. Everything's the same weight. It is a little bit less compression than stock, but that is why they are drop-in, and you don't have to do a crank balance or anything like that, which is awesome.
This is awesome.
Okay, are you done? Are you pumping your toolbox, or are you just happy to see me?
You know, nobody around here likes it when I'm happy.
It's just, we don't really see it very often.
Yeah, well. Times are changing, Stevie. Times are changing.
Just like a switch, it goes off.
Just remember, it switches back just as fast.
Yes, it does. See, it's not you short-fused people you have to worry about. It's us long-fused people that you have to worry about.
Yeah, you know if I'm mad.
You and Eric are mad every day.
Oh my god, Eric had me so mad the other day. I didn't flip on him big time. Had to get my big boy voice out.
Oh, yeah? What does that sound like?
Oh yeah!
Is that how it goes?
Oh my god, that's so funny you say that.
You know what's funny? A bullet.
Yeah, it is funny.
Huh.
Huh. Huh.
Just saying.
Just a couple bullets here on my toolbox.
Just a couple bullets. See? Stage 3. That's camp.
That is what the stage 3 is.
Already had headers and an intake when I came in.
Okay. So it just got heads again.
That's a camp. Yep. Of course, an intake. I think they're Texas speed headers. I'm not sure. Baseline wasn't that impressive.
No.
No.
What was it? Do you remember?
480 something.
Perfectly normal power.
Okay.
Maybe made 450 stock.
Maybe. We'll never know.
We won't.
The world may never know.
The exhaust. That's why I asked if it had muffler mod. It's like super, like tingy.
Yeah. It almost sounds like it's clogged.
No, it don't sound like it's clogged.
Really? To me it does. Maybe it's just the headphones. Alright, first pull looks pretty good. 597, 522. Nice smooth pull. Nice graph. Air fuel looks pretty damn close for the first pull. Let's see how much more we can squeeze out. I looked at the mufflers, by the way. There's no spot that someone did a muffler mod on, so I don't know why they sound like they do.
Maybe, does this thing have a bunch of miles or something on it? Maybe like the baffling's all f***ing blown out? 50,000.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it just sounds like there's not like a lot of baffle or something in it.
Yeah. Exhaust was on there. We didn't do anything with that.
Maybe it's the headers. Maybe it's got a weird header or something on it. I doubt it. It sounds like a muffler thing.
Yeah, it does. Next pull, 611, 525. Good.
I had something for you, but I think I'll keep it.
Okay. I got something for you actually too.
Oh, dude.
Do you want it? I'm such a child.
2 people in my life that do that to me.
Well, I was going to film a time lapse with this, but with all the cars on the dyno, I couldn't leave my camera here. I had to film
Leave
them,
the time lapsing to me.
I did give you a time lapse, Jerry. You're first. Matt's had like 15, so.
I'm talking about me accidentally messing up the recording.
Oh, that too. I was talking about your clutch. Yeah, you're good at filming time lapses.
Yeah.
I talked to my mom this morning,
Yeah.
and she was like, "Oh my God, please don't eat that chip again."
Did she watch the video?
Yeah.
That's fun.
She's like, "I don't care if it is $1,000." I'm like, "Mom, I'm eating that chip. Somebody gives me $1,000."
Yeah, I'll eat it for $1,000. And I would probably actually throw up.
FedEx is the number one.
Throwing up is honestly the least favorite thing I in my life. I hate it.
Yeah.
I hate it with a passion. I'm decide if I want to throw these fresh Frankensteins on or do the little pan.
Let's do Frankenstein just so I can film it. And then...
Tight. Works for me.
So yes, pistons and rods are done. I think it's going to get heads as well.
Brand new outside lifters.
Yep.
ARP studies.
New trays as well. And
Studies for the boys.
is that like Saturdays are for the boys, but studies for the boys?
Yeah.
Okay. God, it smells like... So yeah, same thing as the blue 6th gen pistons, rods, heads, cam. Don't expect some crazy over 600 number because these do slightly lower compression. But building bottom end for boost, it's the way to go. If you're just doing a NA build like we did, the red car. And what was the other car? Was that blue too? Another blue one? Yeah, the other blue one. We didn't do E on that one. What the f***? Was that real?
No, I just fabricated a sneeze.
I don't think I've ever
It's pretty
heard
animated.
a sneeze so exaggerated in my life.
Yeah, well,
Now you have.
I like my brain. I'd like to not explode it.
You've got over here, and then you've got freaking bullhorn over here.
Inspected by TP, installed by Mihi.
Toilet paper, huh? Matt's just bringing all the funnies today.
It's Friday, man. I'm fired up.
It's true.
Friday.
And I'm gonna be gone all week. You're gonna have an awesome week.
God, dude, I'm so hyped about that. No offense, but I mean,
No, it's okay.
a week without you is
None
gonna be a
taken.
joy.
It's a week without me too is.
Gonna be a joy to us all.
People watching wouldn't even know because I'm trying to get episodes done before when I'm gone.
I am, surprisingly, without much complaining.
No, I stayed late
You're
last
turning over a new leaf. Ass like that, gotta be one of a kind.
You know what other shirt I still have over here? Fucking G Fuel. Should probably take that to home.
I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that this is T-Pain. Because that would make me excited.
What other TP would there be? Can't say he's really doing much in the music business right now, so it might be a step up.
I mean, you never did anything in the music besides go auto-tune. Yeah!
That's Little John, actually.
He's the worst.
No, T-Pain had that app that like auto-tunes your shit.
Yeah, he's like the worst.
That app was kind of sweet though. Not gonna lie.
I mean, I just don't know how you can't like T-Pain's music. I mean, you have to be a real asshole. I wanna buy you a drink. That guy.
Oh, okay.
Legend.
Sure. I do like. Didn't he go and do the "I'm on a boat with Lonely Island" or whatever? Pretty sure he joined them for that.
I'm on a boat.
This thing's also auto, so probably. Are we doing flex view on this?
Don't think so.
Okay.
Nice. Noise. No gauge, no flex fuel, no wires, baby.
No worries.
No wires, no worries.
So yeah, probably expect a little bit less than that last one.
Dang, you got them fresh joints on there?
Yeah, it needed them. The old tires were pretty worn out, so we also put some new tires on it all around.
We bucking, we looking at right.
I don't know what the hell that was.
I don't even know if that was English.
So the engine is going in.
All right, drop her down,
Should we spin the crank at all?
Nah, the angle's got to drop the motor.
Yeah, I figured. I told you. I told you.
So we will miss some of this going together because I will not be here next week, but we will wait to have it on the dyno until I get back. And then the same thing as this C6 Z01. Yeah, we will miss some of this going together, but we will wait for it to go on the dyno when I get back.
As soon as it lines up, it's going to fall right on.
You're welcome. Bye.
Do you have the trans jacked up?
you're
I would
looking
put the trans down a little. It seems like it's on a big
Yeah, I
angle.
would maybe let the trans off a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We can probably just let the fans off at this point.
Like that. Right.
Oh,
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 too
yeah.
much, too much.